Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to show you guys how I install my closure wig. This is hair from Eullair hair. I really hope I'm pronouncing their name right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. This is their Malaysian loose wave hair. I have in 4 bundles and a closure. I just made it into a wig myself. It's on a dome cap, you know, whatever. So I'm about to just glue the wig down. I'm using my Got To Be Glued. I'm just going to secure the closure part so it's not sliding and lifting back. So I'm about to do that right quick, and then I'm going to actually style the hair. I haven't decided what type of style I want to do. I thought I wanted to straighten it, but then again, I might just like, because I really like the loose wave type of texture this hair has, so I might just wet it and try to manipulate the wave so it can be like kind of loose and wavy and effortless. So I think that's what we're going to do. But for right now, I'm about to just glue this closure down. Okay, so we have our wig applied. We have it glued down. Ignore this white stuff up here. It's just the glue drying. But I think the way that I'm going to style this wig is I'm going to wet it, and then I'm going to put 2 braids in it, and then hopefully it'll give me like a really pretty loose wave type of look. So that's what we're going to do. Split the hair down the middle, and I'm just going to start spritzing the hair to get it a little damp. How the hair looks when it's wet. It has a super pretty loose wave, but I want the curl to be a little bit tighter, so I'm going to do some braids in it. So I'm just using some mousse just to firstly flatten out the top of my wig and get it to lay nice and flat. Then I'm going to run some through the hair. And as you can see already, this side is already laying much flatter than this side just from the mousse and the water. I went ahead and I took the braids out. My hair is still pretty damp, so that it didn't get to dry all the way, but this is the results of the 2 braids. And it's super pretty. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm gonna flatten my part out a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick just to smooth out any flyaways. So these are the final results of the hair. I'm super in love with this hair. It is so nice and it's just so pretty and full. If you guys are interested in this hair, of course it'll be linked down below along with a coupon code so you guys can save some money. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.